What factors should I consider when determining the best placement for my dehumidifier?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic, determining the best placement for your dehumidifier. If you're struggling with excess moisture in your home or workplace, a dehumidifier can be a lifesaver. However, to maximize its efficiency, it's crucial to consider a few key factors when deciding where to place it. So, let's dive right in.
What is the purpose of the dehumidifier?
Before we start thinking about placement, let's clarify the purpose of your dehumidifier. Are you trying to address moisture issues in a specific room, such as a basement or bathroom? Or are you looking to regulate humidity levels throughout your entire home? Understanding your goal will help you determine the best placement strategy.
Relative humidity and temperature.
When considering the placement of your dehumidifier, it's essential to assess the relative humidity and temperature in the target area. High humidity levels typically occur in areas that are prone to moisture, such as basements, laundry rooms, or bathrooms. Additionally, warmer temperatures can contribute to increased moisture in the air. Therefore, it's recommended to place your dehumidifier in areas where humidity levels are highest and temperatures are warmer.
Proximity to water sources.
Another crucial factor to consider is the proximity to water sources. Dehumidifiers work by extracting moisture from the air, so placing them near water sources is highly beneficial. If you're dealing with excess moisture in your bathroom, positioning the dehumidifier nearby can help prevent the growth of mold and mildew.
Airflow and ventilation.
Airflow and ventilation play a significant role in the effectiveness of your dehumidifier. When choosing a location, consider the airflow patterns in your space. Placing the dehumidifier in an area with good air circulation, such as near a central air conditioning vent or an open doorway, will aid in distributing dry air throughout the room more efficiently.
Noise considerations.
Dehumidifiers can produce varying levels of noise. If you're sensitive to noise or plan to use the dehumidifier in a living area or bedroom, it's important to consider noise levels. Look for models specifically designed to operate quietly, and consider placing the dehumidifier away from areas where excessive noise could be bothersome.
Size and capacity.
The size and capacity of your dehumidifier should also be taken into account when determining the ideal placement. Larger units with higher extraction rates may require more space and can be heavier to move. Ensure you have enough room for the dehumidifier, especially if you plan to use it in smaller areas such as closets or bedrooms.
Accessibility for maintenance.
Regular maintenance is essential to keep your dehumidifier operating effectively. When selecting a placement spot, consider the accessibility for maintenance tasks such as cleaning or emptying the water reservoir. Placing the dehumidifier in a location that is easy to reach and maneuver around will make these maintenance tasks more convenient. And there you have it. When determining the best placement for your dehumidifier, it's crucial to consider various factors such as relative humidity and temperature, proximity to water sources, airflow and ventilation, noise considerations, size and capacity, and accessibility for maintenance. By carefully assessing these factors, you can optimize the performance of your dehumidifier and create a